નમસ્તે એન્ડ વેલકમ ટુ ધ મોર્નિંગ એસેમ્બલી. ટુડે ઇઝ 16th માર્ચ, એટલે કે ગુજરાતી તિથિ ધોરણ પ્રમાણે આજે સુદ તીજ છે. પ્લીઝ ગેટ રેડી ફોર ધ મોર્નિંગ પ્રેયર્સ એન્ડ ઓમ. Are all our days the same? No, right? Everybody has ups and downs. Some people can face it, but some cannot. But we should always keep reminding ourselves that it's okay to feel things. People tend to suppress their emotions in order to look strong or just ignore it. But that's not okay. Sometimes it feels like society says you should always be happy, and showing your sadness is a sign of weakness. This is just like a turmoil. Now, on this note, I would like to invite Kabir to deliver a speech on the same.
Rough patch, a bad day, a major setback. Sometimes it feels like one thing goes wrong after another and another. Sometimes it feels like society says you should always be happy, and that showing your sadness is a sign of weakness. This is far from true. If you were to hold in all your sadness and anger, you would explode. We all have good days and bad days. No one can be perfectly happy all the time. One day you feel on top of the world, the next day you are down. While I am still trying to accept this myself, I know that it is a part of life, and whether or not others would show it, it still happens. Sometimes an unexpected challenge or an obstacle might come your way, and you find yourself stressing out, worrying, and not knowing what to do. And sometimes you have nothing. Zero motivation, no creativity. All of a sudden, you are being plagued with self doubt. You think you have to be strong all the time. You think you are not allowed to cry. To admit that you are okay. It's okay to not be okay. The journey of life is filled with ups and downs, which is that shapes us into the people we are. When you are having a bad day or a good day, remember that the people do care about you, and you are here for a reason, and world would not be the same without you.
Thank you, Kabir. Well, have you ever had the feeling that nothing in your life is going right? A bad day, a bad thought, or something? Well, I surely have experienced that, and a lot of people do go through it. Now we have a spoken word poetry by our fellow mates to remind us all that it's okay not to be okay.
Bad days.
I don't have bad days.
भर भर के बैड डेज आते हैं जीवन में, भर भर के.
I do sometimes have bad days.
In fact, I never had a bad day, like ever.
Realize that they are having a bad day.
Everyone in the human race has a bad day.
I'm going through one at the moment, but you don't know that.
I don't treat any bad day as a bad day. I only treat it as an experience.
पूरा दिन सही चल रहा है, दोस्तों से मिल रहा है, पढ़ाई कर रहा है, आराम से बैठा है, सब चीजें सही हो रही है. But suddenly something happens.
And you find yourself feeling so low.
If you are having a bad day, let it be. Let it come. Let it stay. Let it go.
I try to listen to good music. I try to clean my room. I sit with my mother.
Listening to a lot of Arjit Singh songs.
To avoid it, I try to sleep.
Watch like a good Bollywood movie. My benchmark of good is Abbas Mustan because it's insane.
I watch Sandeep Maheshwari's motivational videos.
For me, my personal therapy was writing. It really helped me.
Just talking to the people I love, to my friends. Once I said, I'll just keep talking.
Be positive. Think of the good things and think of all the things you are grateful for.
One thing I really do believe in is the capacity for human boredom. And I also think we get bored of grief.
It's okay not to be happy all the time. It's okay to be sad all the time. It's okay to be cranky all the time.
One big thing that helped me was therapy. I was really skeptical about going to therapy.
It's a difficult path to work on, especially when people hold a lot of stigma around the entire thing.
अलग अलग डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, हर चीज के लिए होता है. इसके लिए भी डॉक्टर है और ये कुछ गलत नहीं है.
Progress is not linear.
So good things will pass as well, but bad things shall pass too.
If you think a friend is going through something, talk to them. It's not necessary to fix their problems. We think that if anyone is sharing their problems with us, we have to give them solutions. But that's not necessary. Just listen to them.
Don't hide your pain. Show it. Express it. Feel it.
Fine. I have bad days. Everyone has bad days. And you know what? It's okay to have bad days.
Cause it's okay.
Not be okay.
It's really okay not to be okay all the time.
Thank you all for this motivational poetry. Now we have Dhaval to sing the song Asha Hai. It is a famous song by the singer Salim Merchant and KK. This is one of the most inspiring songs whose literal meaning is to never lose hope and always keep striving for our desired goals, no matter what obstacle comes along the path.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, और कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ, जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी.
My name is Vishesh Akbari and today's point to socho is it really okay not to be okay? According to Dr. Zuckerman, who is a licensed clinical psychiatrist, the inherent problem with this concept is that we assume that if a person is not in a positive mood or an emotion that we consider positive, then they are somehow wrong, bad, or inadequate. The problem is that we invalidate someone else's emotional state, or we tell someone that they are feeling sad, angry, or any other emotion that we consider negative, and we end up eliciting secondary emotions inside of them like shame, guilt, or embarrassment. It is really okay not to be okay. Not only is it okay not to feel okay, it is essential. It is an abnormal emotional response to an abnormal situation. We just cannot simply pick the emotions we want to have. It does not work that way. So feeling sad or scared, crying after you get into a fight, feeling anxious or scared about uncertain future is okay. We don't know what to expect next, but we should let ourselves and other people in our lives feel these things as they come up, which now may be more usual. By hiding your discomfort, you are only adding fuel to fire. The more we avoid internal discomfort, the more isolated we become. And the more isolated we become, the more depressed we can feel. And so, It is okay not to feel okay.
Thank you, Vishesh. With this, we come to the end of our assembly. Have a wonderful day ahead.